Abusuamani okasa ide breakdown of rate of sermons Abusuapanin Tupac ede ama wona ekoye da lumba eyi etoso mienu no abeto abonten na Kontonchi TV awo modern are breaking it down na abusua ukotie emu nsem a ano eden pa na mesre yene modern ni enwamu na yenkotie rate of sermons Abusuapanin Kofi Wusu aka Tupac watim ede awramu ede ama wona esese ekọ edema mu yenwamu yenti all this side
ekọ na Abusuapanin Kofi Wusu wanya akọ pimo court na mso mo kyerese that lumba immediate family no ene Maame Akosua Serwaa omu kyeremu omu beye bibi e friend celebration of life anko kyeremu eye part 2 ema that lumba na ye nyina nya ntete breaking news na aba ese Abusuapanin akọ to ko ye hwemu so obetumi di Injunction atoso na wontumi ni ade a amenura ni odue pie obi e ka ho asem ene ya me na okasai Abusuapanin nya ade nsaman krata akoma that lumba immediate family ni pa bia wo samai wo mo kyerese wo mo ni ho kwan se wo mo ye that lumba celebration of life no na wo mo the reasons bebebe na aka ho adekodi ani to mo do masama kwa akodan court e kwan so da ho so ama ya mo the friends are rate of sermons wo mo so den samai krata no akoma enipa bi na nipa bai ena Abusuapanin Kofi Wusu samai wo mo was celebration of life for that room immediate family no person mo ye no enti breaking news am dey ma mo say Abusuapanin nya court no ema o kyerese wo Injunction e dia to so wo pekwan a court no befa so ebesi abusua ne kwan na omuntumi nya sa celebration of life wo mpese wo mo eye that number eye ni wo echi no Madam Roma me sa aka rate of sermons no enenti ya bekenkan nyema binya hu enkofo a Abusuapanin Kofi Wusu saman ene de wo hwehwe e wo court ho se court no enye ni de nti osusu se abusua no entumi that room immediate family no entumi nye celebration of life no anasa ye bia emma that room Madam Roma eno wo hase ya ya bekenkan de amamu for Writ no issued from Accra date no 18th February 2026 suit number na ewa ha na we in the High Court of Justice Accra na say Accra eno no between na say be kan ka plaintiff no na afi enkofo mo ye defendants we ka plaintiff the order na asem court ewo court nsaman krata animu no ono na ye plaintiff na obi nso aye saman no abe ye defendants enti krata yi so do ye plaintiff no Abusuapanin Kofi Wusu nti ya tre Abusuapanin Kofi Wusu ni house number nyina ewo ha ebuakwa mase ena all saman enipa mako enan ewo ha enti saafo no defendants enipa Abusuapanin Kofi Wusu di kan asaman no Akosua Serwaa fusu na ono so the house number aba ewo Germany ewo ha say ono ye first defendant the otoso Robert Jamfi aka Ofa Yaw Poku Esuofia Kumase enotie ono so ye second defendant just obi otoso mienu Abusuapanin Kofi Wusu asaman no the otoso miensa ye Ernestina fusu ono so ne plot number ewa ha sei na afei baby otie bomso Kumase ono ye third defendant ewo krata yi so the oka ho ye Nana Yaw Akosa aka Papa Shi ono so fourth defendant sankofo nan nipa nan na Abusuapanin Kofi Wusu kyerese obutu anamo bi a etia mra ene amamre umpeso mo ye bibi a friends celebration of life enti wo matia o de court say court mfresa nipa no na ebetumi a de ono hwehwe no court ntie na yensi wo mo kwan say nipa na entumi nye bibi a friends celebration of life emma delete that number na me bobo plaintiff ni wie no yentie an action having been commenced against you by the issue of this writ by the above named plaintiff. Naturally, say, as some way, the Oma Trap Tia when you say, and conform a bomb with so be a defendant, Abusuapanin, as a my woman. Abusuapanin confused so a plaintiff, I was semimuno. Was shut Bibiase, Eddie et Tia woman, I nunti, a who be here, such any panel, one be pim, our court. Now, Monso, ebe woman and some ano, enti, and Now, I'll say, you are hereby commanded that within 8 days after service of this writ on you, inclusive of the day of the service, you do cause an appearance to be entered for you. Say the crata, answer my crata, a brow free quarter, a hawk, a demican age, say, a kind of horse within 8 days. I want some free danwa on sa a can and some my crata. E wasa wonso wo enta bibia e friend say appearance ti say ne obema wa lawyer akoye ana wa obeko tumi suma wa utumi ekọ kan lawyer honamako ana obetumi ama lawyer akoye e kire say wudi bua ma court no na wonsa kakrata bia etisa e free Accra High Court nti abusuafo yemra ne emehwe abusuapanyi kofi su court no ensemu a wakoka ana se ne ma watro edi akere court na eninti wo mu hu ne se e wasa kwan bia so no abusuapanyi kofi su hwese court no enhwe na emra no entwe sa nipa nyina emra megina adakam na anamontuo ni tumi a wo mo so wo mo wo se wo mo ye saade no wo mo etumi etumi ba be kenkan abusuapanyi kofi su any reasons bi edi de nti a wakọ court no me ba be kenkan bi akere na afi hey Edion. Everything for any the kind. The friend said statement of claim. We a plaintiff no. There was a bibi hana into what an asem down court. Na court on her, not the all her on your man no. The all her no, and only statement of claim no. The quite do our day war. The entire was so be PM now treacherous once no. Madam Roma and on a meba can a declaration that the plaintiff as Abusuapanin of the Ekwana royal family of Pakoso and Insuta has the sole and exclusive authority to organize, supervise, and approve the burial and funeral rites of the late Charles Kojofusu. Abusuapanin Kofi say in some my crater anymore. Nen samuwa bia oka ene se onu nko abusuapanyin no ye ko na abusuapanyin no wo Pakoso ene Insuta no onu nko na wotumi se emrama ne kwan se organize ayie afa wo supervise ayie just wo ha na ayie koso na o approve ogitum se esie ene ayie ebekoso ama Charles Kojofusu. In this case, se obi so obeye ayie na nya ono no oye abusuapanyi Kofi Usu na eye na nya ono nso na approve anase wo hwe amasa esie ne ayie na koso a na kire sese ayie no ye nyintu efi se ono na ye abusuapanyi ye to so mienu a declaration that the burial and funeral ceremony held on 13 December 2025 constituted the final and valid funeral rites of the deceased under account customary law. Or say, or Pema can say, Sa esie any a year a course 13 December 2025 a few tremono. And no a year chatwo Emma Charles Kojofusu that lumba ewo akan amamremu ene enhyiemu enti kwaba se no nko ane twatwo de a obi try to wo ye bibi etesa a chese watia emra de etoso miensa a declaration that the defendants proposed celebration of life events scheduled for 28th and 29th March 2026 is unlawful, unauthorized, and contrary to Akan customary law o say ekoba say obi try defendant no na try say defendant no ye de yes hama no de abo no kwa adu asemi mu no a propose say nyame ya adomu a 28 ni 29th March abusumi aye ba besim no wo mo beye bibi a ye friend say a celebration of life no Abusuapanin kofi usu statement of claim mu e wo sa court nsamankrata iso no o kire say eye unlawful eye unauthorized na oba akan customary laws no a amamra ni amane ya hihye wo fi a etia contrary to akan customary law eninti ekoba saade a na kire say wo mo ya ade a etia amamre ene amane ye to so biem an order of perpetual injunction restraining the defendants, their agents, assigned or privileged from organizing, performing, advertising, facilitating, or holding any further funeral, burial, or celebration of life ceremony in respect of the late Charles Kojofusu without the express consent and authority of the plaintiff. Or say, there was a rebium, I can be a missile. Accra High Court, no, and not woman for injunction and to Bibia Abusuapanin, I immediate from Roma or Sama woman. A person woman, ye, and yes, one agent, you saw me and call for Nipper the idea be as advert. Bibia omo ye bia kire se pesi ye bibia saade no celebration of life say ye funeral say ye burial ade bi on peso omo ye bia fa charge kojofosu say ye na ye di sie hu advert hu bibia no court no enfa injunction ento so we the plaintiff no yo de na asem akokota ye Abusuapanin kofi so no hwese court no ebeye de amano ye ka hunie ye ma o hwedo so pa an order of interim and or interlocutory injunction pending the final determination of this suit restraining the defendants from proceeding with the advertised event scheduled for March 2026 or any similar events. Abusuapanin kofi so say what I said, court no ebetumi ede interim and answer interlocutory injunction. Naturally say, apart from so open injunction ato so no, uhwe date no so any bre be fra asem no a court no bibia yetumi de to so a friend say interim and interlocutory injunction. Naturally say, ye di si ade na wo ye no ho kwan say bia date ne ben tianimani wo ya wo se open injunction mi di si kwan ansa na bi asem no yetumi ahwe aka. Enti court no hwe na March 2026 no wo muntumi fa interim and answer interlocutory injunction no ento so se be ya ehun advert kura celebration of life bi ahun advert kura no obi antumi nye na nkampese saade adwumadie no entumi maso nya no nko a similar events ade bia immediate family ananko format osama wo mu ebe try so omo ye dia fada dumba ewu achi bia court no enwe na wonsi kwan Abusuapanin de ka hu biem o say an order restraining the defendant from soliciting or receiving donation from the public in the name of organizing any funeral or memorial ceremony for the deceased. Enti when so ade a court no Abusuapanin kofi so ehwe se obetumi aboa na ade bia wo mu di besi enkofo a wasama wo mu kwan so wo ntumi nye kapre bakran fi obi ho ana wo bia kran try say that lumba winti no wo mu di be ye bibia mani pakra atuatua kapre ba no saade no so no court no nyamfansi wo mu kwan na kapre kra wo that lumba ho no obia entua amfa mu obia na obia nya bi cost including legal fees ni nyina aka ho ye twatwo okra any further orders that this honorable court may deem fit in the circumstance na chesa na monto bi a court no ebetu e de afa ho bia no eno nso so no wo mo ani beje ho papa. Dated at Baba Jama and Associates in Accra, 6th day of February. Lawyer for the plaintiff, not just say lawyer Edema Abusuapanin Tupac the order na asem court no. Lawyer Edema the order na asem court no. E wo sansa Accra yi so no. Fati Ali Yala Esqa Baba Jama and Associates. No mo number was sign wa ha. Kama ntimiama Abusuapanin Tupac so ehwe e de free court ho no eno no okay Abusuafo enema bebre na ewom madaroma wo ba ase ya wo ma trotro enema ahodo bi a enipa na wo mo de wo ma aba court no eno nso so no wo mo hwe se enema betumi akoso de ama wo mo ye de Abusuapanin wo hwehwe sa court no ebeye na obesi wo mo kwan na beboa ama aye ne de kwan bia so ana simple celebration of life o sade no mpeso mo ye entumi enkoso
okay
ti Abusuapanin statement of claim no ebi na makenkan e de ama no na aha nso so wa trotro bi e wa ha sei statement of claim no ebi nso e wa ha ne no so yankan bi kakra enfama mo. As I say, the plaintiff is the head of family of the Ekwana royal family of Pakoso and Insuta in the Ashanti region. The first defendants ye do di kan ya sama no ma remfi say first defendant was animu no Maame Akosua Serwaa fusu. The first defendant was pronounced as one of the customary wives of the late Charles Kojofusu, aka Dadrumba, by her ladyship, Miss Dorinda Asa. Oma trotro ewa ha data omo di pronounce sa de nyina ewa ha 28 November 2026 internet 2025 say no bibi kakra ewa in a judgment delivered on 28th of November 2026. I have mistake akraba ho. Te Abusuapanin confuse lawyer for no ya na ma che ho no enso. Asam ne din 2025. Eti no kakra wa ha eno no ewukuma ase. E ho de eno no. The aposumiensa, the second defendant is a member of Ekwana royal family of Pakoso and Insuta. Na chere say Ofa Yaw Poku no ono so Ekwana abusua no oka ho. The third defendant is also a member of Ekwana family what in Germany ono so de wo mo atro de aka ho yenko the fourth one so kratai court kratai chere de obia nipa na o masaman no Abusuapanin Tupac so asaman no o chere de obia. The fourth defendant is a self-styled evangelist who publicly holds himself out as an agent, spokesperson, or representative of the other defendants in respect of the acts complained of herein. Enti omo chere say fourth defendant no nipa o masama na otoso nan Papa Shi na Papa Shi ni so yobi a krata Abusuapanin chere say or self-styled evangelist so obi a wono atamato no ho so se nyame afre no en wasan so hold ne ho se wakasa de ma that number busua no spokesperson ma abusua ne mu bi na kire se ode saa de na ege ho safo hene wokro yi mu yenko de to so nsien. The plaintiff avers that the late Charles Kojofusu, aka Dadrumba, was an internationally acclaimed Ghanaian musician and a royal member of the Ekwana royal family of Pakoso and Insuta. Abusuapanin Tupac say, "Sama krata imu no tum say that Dadrumba this year prekope na onye ni paketwa nuntuni kase ofri Ekwana abusua wo Pakoso and Insuta." The plaintiff avers that The late Dad Lumba passed away on the 26th of July 2025 at the Bank Hospital in the Greater Accra region of Ghana. Abusuapanin Kofi Usu akwoka ne court am ye de abakrat amu se ogitum se Dad Lumba Charles Kojofosu ohre ne nkwa July ne da na toso de onunsia 2025 afrase e the Bank Hospital e wo Nkran. The plaintiff averts that due to the internationally renowned stature of the late Dad Lumba, a funeral planning committee was duly instituted, comprising the third defendants, other members of the Ekwana family, representatives of the wives, musical institution, and traditional authorities, among others. Abusuapanin Kofi Usu odina asma court to say, ne nsama akrata yi mu no, ogitum pa ye se, Dad Lumba esanse no ye nipa kese na ne nyuma hyeta wiase nyina na ye recognize no international inti. Emra owu ye omo ye sombe ye yi no omo te bibi e friend say planning committee ye funeral planning committee. Na sa committee ni mu no, wo de third respondent no eka ho anasa defendant no eka ho chese nipa awasaman no otoso miensa ye maame Ernestina Fusu no wo mo de ne ka committee no ho enu achi ayere no mu a wo mo Dad Lumba ewu achi nsem ni mu no wo mo so representatives wo mo ka ho enkofo ya anyuntofo ko ni wo mo nso no na bi ka ho ene ose traditional authorities ni nipa ahugo bi no mo nso eka ho ye to so nkono. The plaintiff averts that prior to the funeral and burial of the late Lumba, the first defendant instituted an action at the High Court, Kumasi, suit number ni nyina ewo ho. Suit number was J1 J12 2026. I said omo a date ni de court on some 2025 and nyina mo in 2026. Meaning the Lintia, I was a mistake. Seeking, among other, release an injunction to restrain the plaintiff as head of family from organizing the burial and funeral rites of the deceased. Or say, Emra Mubaba Dad Lumba ye ni muhon. Any power sama I know I will be kind. Maame Akosua Serwaa. Ade on Abusuapanin Tupac. Echo court. And what court no corner ade a odi number nyina aka ho dai court ye de court ni ade na eno no na de Maame Akosua Serwaa hwe ne say emfa injunction to ono Abusuapanin Tupac so se wontumi nya kwan na ne de hia wawu e Dad Lumba no wontumi nya na yi de to sudu. The plaintiff further averts that in the injunctive ruling delivered on 30th October 2025, I had a munya date me. The High Court, Kumasi suit number GJ 12 20 2026, dismisses the injunctive application and affirmed the plaintiff authority to organize, supervise, and approve all funeral and burial process of the deceased. Or say, onam kwanso anani abre sa on the injunction to so injunction to so. On 30th October 2025, no High Court no it decided say Abusuapanin Kofi Usu to me say o supervise or organize na we head to be bia ma Dad Lumba see ni na yi no or no ehwe etumi koso ye to so edu ba ko Abusuapanin won some kapa. The plaintiff averts that subsequently the third defendant invoked the sacred oath of the Asante and summoned the plaintiff before the Asante Tribunal. The Asante Tribunal equally affirmed the plaintiff authority to organize and supervise the funeral and burial rites of the deceased. Or say, third defendants, nipa wasama no otoso miensa. Ewa Accra High Court Maame Ernestina Fusu no. Ono so de ne ko eko kan tam kese egu ni so. Oka otumfo ntam kese ya se Asanteman entam kese egu ni so. Ebe de ne ko mpanyimfo anim. Ehon so Empanyimfo ma ne tumi sɛ ɔno na wɔso wɔhwɛ na wɔtoto nneɛma ɛma that lumba ewuo ɛne ne yie etumi ɛkɔso. Deɛ ɛtɔ so dum yenu. The plaintiff adverts therefore that acting on the recommendations of the funeral planning committee as Santemai Tribunal and under his authority, supervision and directions as head of the family, the final burial and funeral rites of the late Dad Lumba were duly performed on 13 December 2025 at Baba Yara Sports Stadium, Kumasi, after which the deceased was buried in accordance with Akan customary laws as a royal. Or say, I was answering the Niamasi Koya. Yadini koko PM ewa Santemai Tribunal ni ade admin na no empanyimfo hwe niamanum na no mo hu se e was that Lumba 13 December 2025 no wo mutumi hwe na wo musie no ampani ampa nso odi so na msuma that Lumba o se oye dehye enti abusuapanyin se wo fa aka na mamre so esie no sadehye the account the plaintiff advised that the burial and funeral held on 13 December 2025 were publicly announced and widely attended by family members, traditional rulers. Any idea? And see, I was a panic of say, was it to it, say, Abusiano? And she said, dear man, over ready so. Now, what about the rule? Ama a yeno, obia, etumia baby, Sadian and son. Oh, ye na pepe, actually said, one from Bibia. Enti abusua wo ni nyina mu a na kire se wo mo ade aba ba wie se Maame Akosua Serwaa fosu ya saman odikan Ofa Yaw Poku a otoso mienu Ernestina fosu a otoso miensa na afei Papa Shi na Yaw Akosa a wono nso otoso eye enan wo ba ha se ya na kire se ya de Chief Justice ni stamp no etim so pan a kire se Efrigana court ena ababe piem ewo montene so na date no 18th day of February 2026 Chief Justice of Ghana P Bafo Boni ni stamp no etim so den etabusuafo we nyina Writ of sermons nsaman krata abusuapanyin Kofi Usu de akoma Maame Akosua Serwaa fosu wono ne nsamani a odi kan busuapanyina sama no de otoso biem enso Ofa Yaw Poku de otoso miensa Maame Ernestina fosu na de otoso nan Nana Yaw Akosa Evangelist Papa Shi enti Madaroma eje ebo omo kokota ko hwem omo kokota hwe ko eso omo otumi a omo koyese no from this platform me kan si so amam se abusuapanyini anya atuanamon de abusua no court a wo kire se celebration of life no wo mu ni ho kwan so omutumi ye eyo no abusuapanyini ko a ene wotumi se oye ayie na wo supervise ayie na wo hwesie obi ema ayie koso so obi betumi ayi bibia yise tumi no efiri wo no abusuapanyini Kofi Usu ewo ho enti court no hwe de di kan fa Injunction to so na ebra so kwa onfa interlocutory injunction na interim injunction entumi ento so kire se ekwan biya di kwa ombefa so etumi aye sa celebration of life no anase bibia e dia fa na Lumba na mpo kwa kire se so obi kura choice wo ye bibi wo da Lumba wawudi mu betumi de kapra na sempo akora ama sa nipa no a eno so court no emfa bibi nto a ebesi saafo no ejina ekwan enti abusuafo wei court nsam fofora abusuapanyi Kofi Usu esanso de aba de afa that Lumba celebration of life that Lumba immediate family no ene Maame Akosua Serwaa omo ye se omo no Madaroma court esama wo a odia ne se obekọ we a lawyer for parties ni nyina o ma lawyer for betumi akodinam parties no nipa nan na asama wo no o ma lawyer for ebetumi akọ sanso no ma ayasama wo no so pa wo mo so betumi aka ho akọ enye huhu de abusuapanyini hwehwe ni nyina no aka no ɛna manya adagye akenkan ni nyinaa ma wo no te abusuapanyin kɔ court no nkɔfa asɛm foforɔ bi de ɛwɔ mu no ne haw no makenkan ni nyinaa ma wo no enti wo so ayasam a wo no ɛna nso bɛkɔ akɔkyerɛ de enti a de abusuapanyin akan edi kwan se edi tum ana edi kwan se court no yɛma no na wo nso akɔka wo de enti court asɛm no saa na tie afei ɛna nsaman na kɔ yɛnhwɛ sɛ Maame Brimpoma, Maame Akosua Serwaa, Ofa Yaw Poku, Papa Shi, wɔn nso ɛde wɔn appearance ne bɛkɔ. Na afei yɛahwɛ baabi a asɛm nie no ebesi akɔ. Na yɛnhwɛ Ghana court gyina yɛsi a wobesi sɛ abusuapanyin sɛ deɛ ɔkan wɔ kwan sɛ osi obiara kwan so ntumi nyɛ bibia ɛfa Dad Lumba wawu no. Ni nua mo ɛne ne wɔfafoɔ ɛne immediate family no. Wɔn ni kwan so wɔn yɛ de enti omu ni kwan na wakyere mu no se Ghana court so obedi atomu a sini awie ne behu kyale se Ghana court te de abusuapanyin kofi nso aka no emra makwan na immediate family de wawu no ne ho nkɔfo no mojamfo no enso otumi so mo organize bibia eye yi ana so mo organize bibia ewo nipa na wawu no achi a eno nso court no sini awie ye eni behu kyale
abusua enti Abusuapanin Tupac ene de sa rate of sermons no etimi eramu na wasiw ono ankasa abusuafo na bebisa se Abusuapanin Tupac enti na abusua no like omuntimi enwo ne na sempaboa entumi mfiri so se oya abusuapani ana se sese no wo sisu se abusuapani ya gazette ya will e de amane se ono no odia akopem awiye yentimi entuno because I know for sure se ahemfo kra yetu omo ahemfo kra sante amamre mu ni amane mu no yetimi tu ahemfo ni bi enti eye dan e na ohene kra yetimi tu no na Abusuapanin Tupac yentimi entu no Abusuapanin Tupac ya set bad precedent e da ma abusuapani aka Abusuapanin Tupac ya ma se wiase nyina hu se da bi se abusuapani fo ye wo e wa asase we su nyina ono na ye omo headquarters ana se oye omo chairman yanse de minim. Bro, is serious? Is this the first time a celebrity be wu na say obi owodin ewu na yaye na ye ni say ye ebi asa e obafufu asa manana? I don't get it. Abusua, oba so anu ache wadwene ha GH report makram.